guys, it's B, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite products that I use to maintain my relaxed hair. My first product on this list is the Olive Oil Moisture Restore Creamy Aloe Shampoo, and it's infused with aloe vera for rejuvenating moisture. So at the back it says it removes buildup without stripping your hair. It leaves your hair soft and tangle free. It's used as a neutralizing and clarifying shampoo, and it's also used for natural and relaxed hair. It does what it says on the bottle. It doesn't leave your hair with that dry feeling afterwards when you wash it. As you can see, it's finished. I have to get another one, but I've been using this for a very long time, and I really like this shampoo. Yeah, it's really good. So the conditioner that I use is the Olive Oil Strengthen and Nourish Replenishing Conditioner infused with sweet orange oil for revitalizing moisture. It says also that it helps restore dry, damaged hair. Now I really do like this, but the only thing I can say is that after washing it out, it has this tacky, sticky residue that I hate to feel, and it's kind of hard to get off of your skin. So that's the only thing I don't like about this conditioner, but besides that, it does moisturize your hair really good. It's a really good conditioner. I really do like it. Having relaxed hair, you would need to treat your hair on a regular, and the two treatments that I use a deep conditioner and I use a protein treatment. For the deep conditioner, it's also from the ORS line, and it's the Hair Repair Banana and Bamboo Nourishing Conditioner for dry and brittle hair. Now at first I thought this was a regular conditioner. I would use it every week in my hair, and then I realized that my hair wasn't holding any curls, and then I realized that it's a treatment. It's not like a conditioner you would use every week when you wash your hair. It smells like bananas, so if you're not a fan of bananas, you're not gonna really like this product. It moisturizes your hair, it leaves it feeling soft and silky, and I would really suggest this as a deep conditioner treatment. So the other treatment that I use is a protein treatment, and having relaxed hair, you definitely need to protein treat your hair, and the one that I use is also from ORS. It's the hair mayonnaise with nettle leaf and horsetail extract. I use this a week after I relax my hair, and sometimes I use it a week before I relax my hair. It really moisturizes your hair as well. After using it, your hair will feel stronger and more resilient to breakage. I really do like this protein treatment. The scent, I'm not so big on the scent. It's not horrible, but I'm not really so big on the scent, but I really like it. This is a really good protein treatment. Now for conditioners, I normally use the ORS conditioner, leave-in conditioner. I don't have any at the moment. I ran out of. Sometimes after I would wash, the relax out my hair and I'm finished conditioning and everything and treating, I would spray some of this conditioner in my hair, the Afro-G Pro Vitamin Leave-In Conditioner. It says here it smooths and detangles, improves body and shine, and prevents against heat. So I would spray this in my hair after I would wash out my conditioner. This is a liquid leave-in conditioner. It's not thick and creamy like the ORS. I like to use it after I've done my relaxer because I don't want my hair weighed down or anything. So I definitely would use this like the first week after I've relaxed my hair. The only thing I can say about this, I don't really feel like it really moisturizes your hair like the ORS leave-in conditioner, but I like the fact that it is a liquid one. After I relax my hair, I don't want it weighed down with any heavy leave-in conditioner, so I like to spray this in my hair. It's a lighter form of conditioner, but I just don't feel it really conditions your hair and leave it, soft and moisturized. For oils, I've been using the Wild Hair Growth Oil for a very, very long time. I'm just gonna read a few. Coconut oil, olive oil, jojoba oil, grapeseed oil. I see peppermint, lavender. You know, it has a bunch of different oils in there. It does have a kind of herby scent. It doesn't bother me. I'm not sure if, you know, you guys might like it, but it doesn't really bother me. I've started to use a different oil, and I really I do like it, and it's the Jamaican mango and lime, Jamaican black castor oil, and the one I have is the one with rosemary oil. And my hair was starting to thin out in the front, my edges. I started to use this, and it definitely helped glue back out my edges thicker. So this one actually has in peppermint oil in there, and it promotes healthy hair and scalp. It revitalizes, it relieves itchy scalp, and it moisturizes and softens cuticles. So what I would normally do with the wild hair growth oil, I would actually buy a peppermint oil separate and put it with the oil, mix it with the oil. So what I like about this one, it actually comes with peppermint oil in there. I'm waiting until I finish use up the other one with the rosemary oil, and then I'll definitely try this one out. But I really do like the line. I find that it does help to grow out your hair thicker. I really can protest to that. I had also used it on my eyebrows, and I did see a difference with the thickness. So it really does work, and you should definitely try it. Now for styling, when I style my hair, most of the times I wear them down in curls, or I would wear it back in a ponytail or a low ponytail or bun. And what I would use to hold on my hair, I would use mousse, and the mousse that I use, it's from the line Vigorol, and it's the it's the olive oil mega moisture, and it says it's enriched with olive oil, antioxidants, and multivitamins. I really do like this mousse. It's thick and creamy, and it really does hold back your hair without leaving that crunchy feeling like gel. I just got this one. It's a new product from ORS. It's the olive oil Fix It Super Hold Spray. Infused with castor oil for strengthening, ultra hold spray for lace fronts, wigs, and weaves. So I find that it really does hold your hair, well, maintain the style that you've put in your hair. I really do like it. Like it says at the back, it's ultra hold, edge protector, dries clear, no residue, sweat and humidity restraint. I really do like this. It really did maintain my curls throughout the day. I wouldn't suggest combing through the hair at all, because I've seen people comb through their hair after they sprayed hairspray on their hair. This shit will hold the hair together. It will hold it. So I wouldn't suggest combing this through, you know, unless you want to pull out your hair. I use the heat protectant from Olive Oil 2-in-1 Heat Defense Sheen Mist, infused with grapeseed oil for heat protectant. I really don't use heat protectant like that. You should use heat protectant, but I really don't use it to that extent. I find that my hair is very resilient to heat, especially in the front, but I do start to try and incorporate it more in my routine when I'm doing my hair, because it's really good to use heat protectant, especially if you use heat on a daily basis. You should definitely use a heat protectant, and I really like this one from ORS. It says at the bottom here that it helps shield against thermal damage, adds radiant sheen, and reduces frizz. So you can definitely try this out. I love the scent. It does have has a sweet scent to it. Wow, it smells really good. I forgot how it smelled. I know it smelled good, but I just didn't remember it smelled that good. I actually really like it. This is really nice, and it doesn't have a greasy feel to it. So when you spray it in your hair and you, I don't know, comb through it and whatever, it doesn't have a greasy feeling. It's lightweight, and it really does give your hair a nice shine to it. I also use serum on my hair to give it a nice shine, and the serum that I use, I know it doesn't have a cover on there. I peeled it off for some reason. I don't remember why. So I do have another one with the cover on there that I'm gonna get and read for you guys. This is just an extra one that I got because I really love this hair serum. It smells amazing. It's oh my gosh, the scent is just amazing. When you use it on your hair, I would suggest just use a little. You don't need a lot, and when you rub it through your hair, it will just glide through. It has a silky feeling. It's not greasy at all. You don't need a lot, and it doesn't weigh on your hair. Once you don't use a lot, a little goes a long way with this hair serum here. So this is the bottle that I have here. As you can see, the top broke off. What I do, I just uncork it and then just throw some in my hand, and I just rub it through my hair. So it says here, it's the Nourishing Coconut Milk Anti-Breakage Serum. Indulge your senses with this exclusive blend with coconut milk, coconut oil, and ultra whipped egg white proteins. This exotic formula helps and strengthens elasticity, hydration, and balance for healthy hair. This is a really good hair serum from Organics. I see they have others. I haven't tried them yet because I just love this one so much. Once I find something I really like and it works for me, I normally stick with it. And normally I don't really try a lot of new products. Now and then I would, but once I find something I like and it works, I just stick with it. As you can see, I've had this for a long time. When I tell you a little goes a long way with this product, a little does go a long way. I've had this for I can't even remember how long. And as you can see, I still have an extra bottle because I don't want to run out. I really do love this hair serum, and I would suggest you guys try it. This is the edge control that I currently am using, and I really do like it. It's the Style Factor Edge Booster, and it says it's extra strength and moisture rich pomade, thick and coarse hair. So it's really good for holding down thick and coarse edges. I really like it. I mainly chose this one because of the color. I really love the color. This is how it looks. I've already used up some. And here's the thing I don't like about this line. As you can see, you can pull out the insides, and this is how much you're getting. So, and you have all this space here. Look at all that space. Why didn't you just put it in here? I don't know. They just put it in this little tube and then put it inside here. I do like it's the style of it, but I would rather that they had put it inside the container itself so that we get more edge control for our money. But this is how they designed it. So it's just a little, you're actually getting this amount. I'm here thinking that this is just some kind of stuff building around it. I didn't know it actually came out. And then to see, this is the amount of edge control that I'm actually getting. And you have all this space in here. But I do like it, so I will definitely continue to buy it. I just hope the bigger ones aren't like that. And also what I use on my edges, what I would do, I would mix that edge control and the Eco Style gel, and I always buy the olive oil. I find the olive oil has the best hold. As you can see, it's almost finished. I've had this for a long time because I don't use gel over on top of my hair. I use mousse, and I just use olive oil on my edges, and I mix it with the edge control here for extra hold, and they work perfectly fine together. Those are the products that I use on a daily basis when I'm styling my hair and taking care of my hair. I find with relaxed hair, you don't need a bunch of different products. Just find what works for you and stick to that. It's not bad to try new things now and then, but once I find something that really works with my hair, it's hard for me to, switch it for something else. You have a saying, if it ain't broke, don't try and fix it, and I live by that saying. Thanks again for watching, guys. I'll definitely be posting another video about my hair journey from when I did the big chop and then I went back to relaxers. I'll definitely be doing one and posting it shortly. But guys, thanks again for watching. Be safe. Bye.